Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD and OLED. Panel type VAQD and WOLED. Screen size 65, 75, 85 inch USA, Europe and 55, 65 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 4000 nits and 1000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 59 ppi and 80 ppi. Video processor XR processor and high view engine. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision and HDR10 HDR10 plus hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 2 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 2 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 2 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.1. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV and Vidya. Version at launch 12 and 7.6. OS updates yes and no. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes and no. Chromecast yes and no. Voice assistants Google Assistant Alexa and Alexa. Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube yes. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 70 watt 2.2.2 acoustic multi audio plus and 2.0 60 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 and AC4 yes. Detach X yes. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 1667 into 960 into 48 mm and 1892 into 1182 into 474 mm. Weight 42 kg and 53.4 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm and 300 into 200 mm. Special features XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhance and OLED EX IMAX enhance, adaptive light sensor, swayable stand. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe and DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.